Hi guys, from RacingDiffs garage. Today we are going to show you how to install Progressive limited slip conversion kit into your Getrag M32 gearbox. To do that properly, we got ourselves a decent test car. So here's our test car. It's Opel Corsa OPC, 200 horsepower on the front wheel drive. So we're going to install the conversion kit, show you how to do it, and then show you the benefits in another video. So we jump on the job. Okay. Now we are beginning to dismantle the differential from the car. We have the car right here lifted on the jack, and we have over here the basic tools that you need to dismantle differential from the car. Please come here to see the basic tools. What we have here is the hex key 10, E key 12 and 16, and that's about it. So we are basically here having dismantled the drive shafts because we did some other modifications to the engine which are not related to this video, but we have already dismantled the drive shafts, which you can see over here. So to complete the process, actually to start the process well, you need to dismantle the drive shafts first. So do that. We won't show it in the video. I'm sure any mechanic who ever lifted this car on the jack knows how to dismantle drive shaft, so it's not a big problem. Okay, so what we are doing right now is we are draining the oil from the transmission, because that's the first step. You don't want to dismantle differential with oil inside. So this is the valve that goes out to drain the oil. Not much oil in this transmission. As I said, we already did some modifications before this video, so it's not much oil, but it's good to be drained before the process. Now to remove the rear cover which holds the differential in the position. So when you removed all screws from the main cover and the side cover, you need to remove the side cover with a screwdriver. So it just goes like this. Nothing too complicated, but you need to make sure, okay, you do not damage this O-ring, this seal over here. So be careful with the screwdriver, don't mess it up. Okay, and removing the main cover with the differential. Okay, so that's it, that's the baby. Don't just be using brake cleaner, as it won't remove all layers of previous oil, especially if you have burned oil on the differential. It's quite stiff and hard to remove, so use a little bit help of brush, and then empty the one bottle of bottle cleaner on it, so to make sure it's perfectly clean when it gets to the table, like this. And now we're gonna put limited slip gear together, tightened in blocking tools to make sure it's ready to be mounted in the differential unit. So, springs inside the ledges of the one plate. Another plate in its position, and then into the clamp. And tighten it together until the surfaces touches each other. So just like this. Take a look. That's it. Now to tighten it properly, don't need to tighten it too much as you will remove it eventually, so don't be too hard on these bolts. Just about enough to make sure they are tightened till the end. Both sides equally, and then it is ready to be released. Release the clamp and remove the conversion set, and that's it. When you got this tightened together, you need to oil all surfaces well with a CDTI transmission oil. We're gonna use this because you now have limited slip diff inside your transmission. So use CDTI oil, put it in a clean cap, and use one clean brush to oil all contact surfaces well before you put them inside the differential. It's a very important step. Don't skip it. Unscrew the bolts of the blocking tool carefully so you don't mess up alignment of the conversion set. Don't forget to oil the pin so it goes easily inside. Not too easily, you need the help of the hammer, but anyway, it's better with oil than without. Looks enough for the start, and the cone as well. Oil it inside. Put it on the edge. That's it. You have it inside, installed. Not too complicated. For the installation of the small screw, use the screw adhesive to make sure it is secured properly. Just to center the crown gear till the end. Like this. And do a visual check if it's aligned with the surface of the carrier unit. If that's the case, unscrew them again and use a screw adhesive. It's very important not to mix left and right cone. So you need to return it back to its original place. So don't mix left and right cone. Clean contact surface with the brake cleaner. All of them. Especially this one for the oil seal. That's it. And the oil seal. Okay. And don't forget at the end to return this shim to original place, and that will be here. Because if you forget to return this shim, differential will lose the alignment. So it's very important to return this shim on the original place. If you're returning the old oil seals, make sure you use seal and paste on this edge over here. Just to make sure that the oil ring will seal. Doesn't have to be a big amount of this, so big paste. but it's a lot safer to have it here than not to. And the last part of the installation is the side cap. Like this, press it inside. Sealant paste will make sure that you hold oil properly to the bolts, and you're done. And after exactly 2 hours of work, we are ready to make a test. Are you ready?